You can see how Riker's shoulder has dried. It's not quite as shiny as the rest of him, though. So I am going to start with the... I gotta keep it the same shade, so we'll do the shiny licorice black as the color. And yes, I'm wearing my glasses because it gives me an eye ache. So I need to... oh yes, and I need to stir the licorice paint. There we go, all stirred up now. Had to make sure of that. Remember, some of these bottles have been lying around for 6 years, and the good thing about folk art, though, unlike testers, it doesn't dry up if you don't use it. It simply separates into its component colors. And I will use the same brush that I used to apply it the first time for precision purposes, and always hold it closer to the bristles. Alright, so let's see if we can get this on camera while I'm actually painting this time. Alright, so start from here. There. Now we'll let that dry. And if I went too shiny, I can take it back down with the satin. So the satin will be standing by, and we'll see how this goes. But no, that looks good, and I'm not going to fill in the uniform. We're going to keep the rips intact, but that's interesting. This is not the Riker I got. And this Riker seems to come with gold accessories, which I don't possess. I'll show you the bag of extra accessories I do have. This Riker didn't even have a base either. Okay, so these are the accessories that came with my Riker, but if you look, they're the same accessories that come with the Season 2 Riker. You see? You notice something different about the Season 2 Riker's foot? Look. It almost looks 0.45894. So that shows how rare his figure was. Rare or not rare. And here's another something to look at. The Season 2 Riker, you can tell because he's the one with the beard, has the black stripe on his uniform, has the red stripe on his uniform, shoulders, and boot cuffs. If you look at the Season 3 Riker, no red stripe here, more of a collar, but he still has the red stripe on the boot cuffs. And his number, 70687. So my Riker, with all his accessories, so phaser, tricorder, pad, UV thing, and thing. So these are actual extra accessories from the Riker. You need the Riker with the gold stuff. But anyway, that's all for now. So that's good news, knowing that the Riker in Season 2 is actually a lower. Now this is interesting. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Take a look at this. Stay upright. Turn your head. No, your head. I don't know if you can tell from this angle, but if you look, you can see that he is more of a purplish red, and he's more of a brighter red, especially on camera. You can see that. That's interesting. While we're on the subject of Rikers, let me just move these two out of the way here for a moment. We have the Thomas Riker figure and the reddish orange themed accessories that came with him. But take a look at the number on the bottom of his foot. You will see the number. I think I'm reading number 40. Look. That is a number 40. Now, I don't know how many Thomas Riker figures they made, but I was watching K&M's Show Us Your Star Trek Toys, and they were saying that the lower the number on the foot sticker, the more rare the figure is. It's an early release. And you can see how they... See that? See that rip? And that rip? Now, that rip is the same as on the this Riker. But look. No rip. Yet, this one has a rip. And I'm going to show you something else. There's something else that's a bit different. Look at this. If you rotate Riker's arm out of the way, you see how there's no black along here, right? And that's Commander Riker. Okay. Looks like we got the consistency right. We'll find out. Get him upright again. There, he won't fall over. But look at this. See? Black rim around here. Even if you rotate the arm like that. Look at that. See? Black rim. Gotta be able to focus on my hand or something. Come on. See that black rim? Now look. It's not on the other arm, it's just on the one. So that's strange. That's strange. He doesn't have copyright date on the back. Nobody does. They have it on the bottom of the feet instead, which is a much less obtrusive way of doing it. But I'm not going to paint Riker. I mean, he's a very low figure, number 40, so I'm going to leave him exactly as he is. Look here. See? Rip on the... matches the rip on his thigh, which is like from Silence Has Lease. It's almost in the exact same spot. But that was the end of season 2, as they said. So that's neat. Very neat. Very good. Okay, well, I guess that's all for now on the Riker figures. Might as well get a group shot of them all together. Let me see if I can get a cardboard backing. One moment. All right, before anyone falls over, there's the thumbnail of the 3 Rikers. And you can see once again, even against the cardboard backing, how much brighter red he is, almost like the remastered TNG versus the original airing TNG with a slightly purplish cast to the red. So that's neat too. That's really interesting. Anyway, that's all for now, and of course I'll come back when there's another figure that needs upgrading, and he needs to stand on a stand a bit better. So, see you later. Bye-bye.